Welcome to Art2, a channel for those looking to sell their art online. Are you looking to make money from your creative skills? Selling on Redbubble is a great way to do it. It's an online platform that allows anyone with artwork or design skills to upload their work and turn it into merchandise for sale. With the right business strategies, you can increase your chances of success when selling on Redbubble. In this video, you will learn how to stay ahead of the trends and maximize your profits as a Redbubble seller. It's no secret that print-on-demand platforms are a dream come true for artists and other creative types with eye-catching designs, and this has led to fierce competition in the market. The problem with print-on-demand is that in order to succeed, you need to fail first, since, like anything else in life, you have to test and keep trying until you figure out the formula and know your way. What should you do on Redbubble to boost your sales potential? Whether you're a budding artist or an experienced veteran, using Redbubble provides an opportunity to showcase your artwork and boost your potential sales. Here are some tips on how to get the most out of Redbubble and increase your sales potential. Firstly, create quality products by uploading high-resolution images and choosing carefully from the available product options. Make sure you have all products enabled, as this will give customers more choice when selecting items from your store. Additionally, leverage the platform's marketing tools such as promotions and discounts to reach wider audiences with your work. When it comes to making a name for your store, there are many factors to consider. If you're selling products within a specific niche, it's important to choose a name that is relatable to the type of products you are offering. By selecting a business name that relates directly to the items being offered in your store, customers will gain an immediate understanding of what they can expect from your designs. When starting a business on Redbubble, research is extremely important. It pays to thoroughly research the market before committing to anything. It is essential that you educate yourself in the art of searching using keywords, tags, and descriptions in order to get the most useful results from your research into Redbubble or other print-on-demand services. Only then will you be able to obtain the best possible outcomes from your efforts. This will help ensure that you find all the information you need in order to make an informed decision about which niche is right for you. Spending the time now to undertake thorough study on your options will save you a lot of hassles in the future. This is because you will be able to concentrate your efforts on designs and markets that you have evaluated via research and determined to be worthwhile investments of your time. When it comes to setting the price for your print-on-demand products, finding a sweet spot can be tricky. You don't want to undersell yourself, but you also don't want to overprice and leave potential customers feeling like they're getting ripped off. One of the most important aspects of running a successful business is pricing your product appropriately, not too low and not too high. With Redbubble, it's easy to find out what other sellers are charging for similar items, so you can set an appropriate margin for yourself without undercutting or overpricing your competitors. When it comes to designing your own products on platforms such as Redbubble, it is important to make sure the design you are using is clean and is saved in the PNG format with transparent background. This will ensure that customers receive the best quality product possible when they purchase from you. Having a clear and crisp design with a transparent background helps to maximize the visibility of your product and allows for seamless integration onto products such as t-shirts and hoodies. A well-designed product with a transparent background will also help to maximize your profit margin by making sure that every detail of the design is visible. With print-on-demand, there can be discrepancies between designs if not done correctly, so having an optimized design from the start can save you hassle in the long run. It is recommended that all items use a dimension of 7632 pixels by 6480 pixels. There is a greater potential for sales with the black t-shirt as the default selection. In conclusion, Redbubble is an excellent platform for artists to showcase their work and get organic traffic. While it can be difficult to rank, you can increase your chances by carefully following the tips listed in this video. Remember that there is a learning curve when it comes to ranking and getting organic traffic, so don't give up. With consistent effort and dedication, you will eventually be successful in ranking on Redbubble. If you haven't already subscribed, do it now so you know when the next video is uploaded, and likes are always appreciated. Join us for the next video and have a great day.